people. Now today I want to teach you on how for you to dye your client's white hair with your shampoo dye. Now I'm going to use, look at the shampoo that I want to use, black hair shampoo. Yes, so I'm about going in now. I used to wear something on my handle because I don't want my hand to be black. So you go in step by step, little by little. You give it to your client to hold it for you. You can still hold it yourself if you feel like, but you need to be careful so that you won't rub it on your client's ear. You understand? So that you won't rub it on your client's ear, and you keep on going. So now you can see that the white hair is turning to brown now. From there to turn to black. It does last, yeah. This one, it lasts for like, it can last you for like 2-3 weeks. Yes, it does last for like 2 to 3 weeks. You see the white hair. Now I've put it in now, and it has turned to brown, going to black now. You take it steady, slow and steady with the rays. See it? Be careful. Make sure you don't rub it on your client's eyes or the forehead, because it's very hard for you to wash out. Yes. So see, watch the procedure, how I'm going to finish it. As you can see, I'm still rubbing it in. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. We are going there. You can see, you massage it in. I didn't say you should buy your client to massage it in little by little. As you can see, it's going in now. Yes, you see, you open it again to make sure that you are done putting it everywhere. Yes, now see it. Now I'm checking it now. I'm still putting on it so that I won't make any mistake, so that some part will not be white and some part will not be black. Yes, I have to open it the middle, then put it. Yes, you're seeing what I'm doing. Easy, steady. Yo, this is it. This is it. Look at the way the hair is now black and it's shining. And we have not washed it out. It's still inside. You can just use this one. It's very, very affordable. You can just use it. It doesn't take time. You can use it for your hair. If your hair is very, like, your hair is not black, if you want to make it black, you can use it. You can use this shampoo dye to make it black. Yeah, it does last longer. I'm almost done. Yes, almost done. Yes, almost done. Almost done. Yeah, we're almost done, guys. Yeah. This was when after I've washed it. I can see, look at how shiny it is. I've opened it, you've seen it. Now I want to rub in my shining in. Then I have to comb it. Can you see? So you can do it for yourself. You can